Preti painted this picture and its companion piece, The Tribute Money, while a young man in Rome when he was still very much an adept of the Caravagesque style, as we can see from his handling of light, his models and his themes. He treats religious subjects almost as though they were genre paintings. There is some debate over the subject matter, but it may refer to the time Jesus berated his apostles for sending away mothers bringing their children to him. "Suffer the little children to come unto me."
Preti's paintings demonstrated from the start an immense vigour and dynamic power which were almost unparalleled in Italy, let alone Malta. The Knight from Calabria is recognised as one of the most outstanding artists of the second half of the 17th century.
Mattia Preti's technique is also very interesting, as Giuseppe Mantella, restorer of many of his paintings, says.
It's incredible to see his paintings up close. They're made up of quick brushstrokes, and a peculiarity is emerging in all his paintings studied here in Malta. There's almost a signature, even if he rarely signed his works.
Mattia Preti was an Italian Baroque artist who was born on February 24, 1613 in Taverna, Italy. He lived a long life and passed away on January 3, 1699. Mattia Preti was a master of the Baroque style, which is characterized by dramatic lighting, intense emotions, and elaborate ornamentation.